everybody. It is Monday and I'm going to do a mallet smash. So I've got a 10 by 10 inch canvas here. So let me put gloves on. Hope everyone's doing okay. I was painting the outside of my front door today, and so I was already in paint clothes, and I thought, I'm going to visit my studio. So here I am. We're going to use a blue, coconut red from ARTEZA, and dreamy lemon yellow from ARTEZA. And then this is my house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I can't believe I've never painted the outside of my front door. One of my friends on Facebook did, and I was like, gosh, I should do that because mine is just like the old worn down door, it's probably 40 some years old and it's seen better days. So I found some paint in the basement, same color as the doors in the entryway, so I was like, perfect. It had been sitting for so long, just like it had totally separated, but it came back to life. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Alrighty. I'm going to torch out some of these bubbles. Alright. I'm just going to do 3 because I want negative space. Now for the blue, whoops. And now for the mallet. I think I'm going to add some flingies coming from this one. That way it gives it a focal point. Let's see. I'm just going to touch up some areas where I don't want paint. Maybe some flingies over here too. Alrighty. Take my gloves off so I can come over and snag ya. Show you what I made close up. My gloves do not want to come off. There we go. Kind of looks like a fish. That yellow turned out really cool, and that's an iridescent yellow. Look at that. So there's some really cool, like, areas. And there it is as a whole. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.